Right now, I'm gonna give you the light back to you, right? I promise. Alright, we're here in the woods. I don't see. Oh my god. What the heck is that? Alright, this is Relio. Trent really doesn't like showing his face. We're going into an old house. Alright. I can't really see anything right now, but once we get, let's look at the door. You see a door. It has no doorknob. Cracked open a little bit. It's a house. And check this out. That's scary. What the heck was that?